So we are on air-to-air 12275 and 1230. Two minutes. Put a flight plan in here.
K81.
Yep.
Cessna lead.
Cessna 2.
Chalk 3. Excellent, guys. Follow me out to the 3-1 run-up.
Good so far?
Yeah.
You see those birds soaring over there, you know, the red thermals.
Yeah.
Lawrence traffic, Cessna flight of 3 is departing 33, Lawrence.
Okay, so he's going to be on the right, and I'm going to be in the middle. Lapston degrees, mixture full rich, prop full forward, trim. Good to go?
Yep. Let's get the thing up in the air where it cools off.
Yep, let's get some cool air.
Chalk 2, pull a little closer, Matt. You ought to be just behind my tail with your wing.
Very good.
Okay.
All right, we're go.
1, 1000, 2, 1000, 3, 1000, 4, 1000. I'm going to go to 5, 5, 1000. All right, we got full power, 2400 RPM, a good oil pressure. We're clear to go. Here comes our liftoff. And we're shooting for 100 knots. Flaps coming out. 100 knots, 100 knots. There's 100 knots. Now we're climbing. Pull back, I'm going too fast. These things climb pretty well. There's 100 knots. 500 feet and 100 knots. Now I'm already...
So now you are right about 6.
Okay, well, we're going to stay at 6 until Adam gets over there, right?
Yeah. And so, obviously, you've got more windows than we have in our
Right.
172.
Right.
But that's where having a passenger with you that can...
Bolivar traffic, we got Scotsman in progress over Bolivar, skydivers in the air over the Bolivar Airport.
So having somebody that can help look around and be able to spot the other airplanes and kind of keep track of that so
Yep.
you can just fly the airplane basically.
Yep.
And obviously he's got 4 people in his airplane.
Yeah,
so even though he's got good power.
Yeah.
Chalk 2, or excuse me, Chalk 3 good.
Chalk 2 good.
How we all doing, Chalk 1?
Chalk 2's good.
Chalk 3's coming back to rejoin. We got a little bit ahead of you.
Shame on you.
I know it.
And see, like, this is really good
Of course,
practice.
they did put the fast airplane on the inside of the tank.
All right.
Yeah, I had a hard time getting it slow enough.
Descending to 2,500, we'll cross midfield, enter a teardrop right downwind for 17, Ponca City.